cracked or broken driver's side mirror glass? Don't let a damaged mirror hold you back or drain your wallet. Imagine restoring your vehicle's side mirror to original condition without paying dealer prices. This driver's side heated mirror glass fits Dodge Nitro and Jeep Liberty models perfectly, offering the same quality and function as original equipment, but at a fraction of the cost. What sets this mirror glass apart is its built-in heating capability. Say goodbye to scraping ice, snow, or wiping away fog before you hit the road. The heating feature clears your view quickly, keeping you safe and saving you time on chilly mornings. Plus, it comes with a backing plate that ensures a seamless fit, matching your vehicle's specifications exactly, measuring 6¼ by 6 3/4 by 8 3/16. Just unplug the wiring harness from your old backing plate and connect it to the new one before installation. The process is straightforward, with step-by-step instructions included to guide you through each move. Here's the proof. Customers across the U.S. have praised this mirror for its reliability and prompt delivery. One user shared, "It works perfectly and arrived a few days earlier than expected." That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the product's quality and service behind it. If you're tired of compromised visibility or overpriced repairs, this replacement mirror is worth a look. Ready to fix your mirror without the dealer markup? This driver's side heated mirror glass offers what you need: original equipment fit, heating power to clear ice and fog, and easy installation. If that's you, consider upgrading your mirror today. Try it when you're ready and see the difference quality and convenience make on your daily drive.